Let us try to understand how to draw a Pareto chart in Microsoft Excel 2013 and above versions. In Microsoft Excel 2013 and above, drawing a Pareto chart is now one of the easiest tasks as there is a direct option of drawing this Pareto, unlike the earlier editions. So what you need to do is, just like drawing any other graph, select your entire data. After selecting the data, go to the Insert tab. In this Insert tab, in the Insert ribbon, just find the section of Charts. In the section of Charts, roll over your mouse to the tab of Insert Statistic Chart. Click on the drop-down menu, and after clicking on the drop-down menu, select the second chart in the series of histogram, that is your Pareto chart. Just click on this chart, and here you are with your Pareto diagram. Now what does this diagram tells you about? Just have a look at the data. This data is of sales executive who have achieved certain sales figure in a particular month. And now let's say I want to identify who are those salespersons with the maximum contribution individually and overall the maximum contribution in the organization cumulatively. So yes, I can see that Marcus is one of those employees who has achieved the highest sales of 112 in the entire month, and he is way ahead in comparison to his colleagues. On the other hand, we have the second person as Rohtash, who is the second highest in terms of the sales achieved. Similarly, following him are Mohsen and Martin and Prasun. Now, one more important thing which I am able to get through this Pareto diagram is the cumulative contribution. Now, as you can see, if I can see till Mohsen, around 65% of cumulative addition is there. Now, this gives me an important insight with this data. It states that 65% of the entire sales in the organizations are solely being contributed by Marcus, Rohtash and Mohsen. This means 65% of the revenue with respect to these sales can be attributed to Marcus, Rohtash and Mohsen, and in the rest 35%, the rest of the sales executives lie. Now this would help me in actually evaluating the performance of Marcus, Rohtash and Mohsen, because I can say that around 65 or maybe around 70-72% of the sales are being contributed by these four if I include Martin. So actually I can give a pat on their back based on their performance. So this is the vital information which has been shared by Pareto.